We all know that if we want to get things done correctly and efficiently, we must have the right equipment. For example, calculating the depth of liquid tanks used in various chemical and consumer industries was so difficult that it caused many problems to the working engineers. So, to solve this problem of engineers, AG Electronics presents you the AG Eco. AG Eco is an ultrasonic sensor which works on the principle of ultrasonic waves. It resembles with the distance calculating technique of bats. Like bats, it uses the ultrasonic echo of the wave to calculate the distance of the objects. With the help of this sensor, we can measure and control the depth of any liquid or solid objects. These spectacular special features make AG Eco capable of working under any adverse conditions. The accuracy, on-off signal, temperature compensation, analog output and pulse width make it unique and effective along with other awesome technical specifications. And the advantages are non-contact sensor, very flexible output, a wide sensing range, analog and digital output proportional to target distance, very rugged design, waterproof and dustproof, and is very easy to install. Now the best part, uses. The AG Eco is used in crane anti-collision detection to avoid collisions. In various packaging industries like paint, to detect whether the lid of the box is closed or open. To measure the frequently changing levels of the river. To provide efficient and safe parking services. In various intrusion alarms to ensure safety and security. It also can be used to calculate the dynamically changing heights of the objects. It works very efficiently with process control systems, as well as does the tedious job of counting without touching the objects. So, these are only a few industrial and commercial applications of AG Eco. But it is useful in many more problems as your imagination goes. That's AG Eco. Wonderful, right? Wait, there's more. AG Electronics, along with being the only manufacturer in India, it also provides the best ultrasonic sensor at the lowest cost. Hurry up and grab this awesome opportunity. Contact AG Electronics 208 Bhivapurkar Chambers, Dhantoli, Nagpur. Call at 0712 2423 400 or 2451 900. You can also log on to www.agelectronics.in or email at sales@agelectronics.in and info@agelectronics.co.in.